Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new 4K sports action camera. I do say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go and take a look at it. Let's see what we got. I used to have a GoPro, so we'll see how this one holds up. So here's the actual camera itself. Wow, this is very cool. You get a clip for it of the accessory, a lanyard for it, Type-C cable, 64 gigabytes of micro SD storage. This is another accessory for it to keep it in place. I like that it comes with all sorts of different attachments to try out. We'll test this one out. We'll actually put this inside the pool and some water, see how it holds up. Some more attachments on here. And another one right here as well. So one of the things that I wanted to point out on the camera is this piece right here. This is where you'll charge it and insert that micro SD card, which we can go ahead and do now. So we'll go ahead and actually put the SD card inside. It should just click right in. Nope, there it goes. Sew that back up. There's one button on here. You can see it went ahead and turned on. So now let's go ahead and actually try it out. First, you're going to want to go ahead and download the Vidura app so that way you have access to all the footage that you get on the camera. This action camera is waterproof with the included housing, so if you're planning to shoot around water, whether it's the pool, a lake, or even rain, you'll be covered. The housing snaps on easy and locks tight. Even underwater, the 4K resolution holds up. You're getting decent clarity and surprising stability for the size. We tested it during a pool day with my nephew, and he had a blast filming underwater with it. It held up all the splashing and tossing like a champ, and the footage still came out clean. It has a simple one-button operation, so once you power it on and press record, you're rolling. There's a tiny LED indicator light that shows up when it's recording. Battery life is about 2 hours of continuous shooting at 4K, and it charges back up with a standard cable included in the kit. Next, I clipped it to the back of the truck for a quick test. Even at a decent speed, the video came out clean and stable. The clip held on tight and it didn't bounce around or fall off, which was impressive considering how light the thing is. I shot through some streets around the neighborhood, and you got a good wide angle view the whole time. Even with partial shade, the camera adjusts to exposure well, and the image stayed sharp enough to use for a secondary footage or a basic dash cam. It's a great option if you want to capture a road trip or create content on the go without dealing with suction mounts or big rigs. And then lastly, for everyday use, I just held it in my hand while walking around. No mounts, no straps, just point and go. It's light and small enough that it doesn't feel like you're holding a camera, but the footage still comes out clean in 4K with a decent field of view. No app needed, no Wi-Fi pairing, just press the button and you're recording. Whether you're walking the dog, running errands, or documenting your day, it keeps things simple. If you like capturing little moments without dragging around gear, this gets it done without any fuss. Alright guys, as you can see, camera, good quality on here. So if you guys are looking for a new 4K action camera, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Highly recommend.